Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with another Google Sheet workflow automation, and in this automation there is a needed update, which is going to update the status based on the some criteria which we were already using for the sold to third party, and we were using this for sold to the beneficiary as well. Let me unlock those. I hope that we don't have any other filter applied. No. Okay. So we have some emails which I received from Jibin that there are some emails which have the status for the postponed property removed, cancelled, or transaction updated with something. So I have modified the code, and I don't know if that code was earlier used, but I don't think so. So what I'm going to do, you can see I have updated the code with this and some module at the bottom so that we can process all of these. So it will be processing now five conditions, one, two, three, four, five. So cancelled will return status as cancelled, property removed will return the status as property removed, postponed as postponed, transaction update only without any sold to beneficiary in the subject will respond to sold to the beneficiary, and with the sold to beneficiary, which was the earlier code already available in this text, it will return the reverted back to the beneficiary. So I'm going to run this code directly on this sheet because I have made a copy. I cannot apply this on your email. So I received some emails on my side, and then I remove the forward and return back on myself so that I can process both these four. And out of these four, we don't have all the addresses available in our sheet, but few of these. So maybe 4456 and 110, which I tracked, which are available in the row number 25, 26, and 31, 32. So we have a duplicate as well, and all of these status are auctions, which is the prime requirement. Like it is going to check for the auction. If the status is auction, then it's going to process it. If the status is a bit different, it's not going to process it. Similarly, for the address, if the address is available, obviously, then we can track the emails. Okay, so let me run it through the code, like from here, and we can wait right in here. I don't think so if there are any other. One, two, three, four. We have only four sold to third party. And let's see if there any status gets changed. So this one is 1110 Marriott, and I think this is the address we have. Yep, and 4456. So these are the two addresses we have. It's going to take a while because now it's processing five search queries for each email address if it satisfies any of the conditions. Either it's a cancelled, property removed, postponed, or any other. So it's going to take a while. Oh, sorry, it's going to ask me the permission. Sorry. Let me allow it. Okay, now let's wait. So the time starts right now. It's going to take a while because again, we are processing five conditions for each email to be checked, but it won't take too long. So it found one and it's going to update. You can see this one got updated. The second one got updated as well. And again, this is this is how it's going to work. That it's going to process each and every address available, and you can see all of these four got processed. So if we have any further matches updates, it will update. So that is it from my side. I have transferred this code to your file directly and then made a copy from there and then tested it so that I can make sure that everything is working fine. So that is it from my side. Please do let me know if you need any further assistance. Looking forward for your review. Take care. Bye.